4 over 5 needles, so that means we're going to pop 11 onto each needle. So I'm taking them from the end away from the cast on, so the the yarn end and tail is down there. So there's 11 on that one. So we've got some 3 needles, then we're going to put 11 onto this one. I'm just resting it down on the table because basically I don't want these stitches that are on the needle to twist around, because once your knitting's twisted, there's no way of undoing it. So there's 11 on that one, which leaves 11 on this needle. Okay, so we've got 4 needles, each with 11 stitches on. So now we're going to join it in the round, which is where the 5th needle comes in. Okay, right, bear with me a second. Just pop those tails down out of the way. So I'm just quickly going to check that nothing dreadful has happened and that all those stitches are facing the same way, nothing's twisted round, all looks good. So although we've got 4 needles here, we're only really concentrating on the 2 that we're knitting with. Okay, so this is the yarn end. Now there are fancy ways that you can join these together smoothly, but we're not going to worry about anything like that at the moment. Okay, so we're now going to knit, which isn't very easy to do this through a video camera, but I'm going to do my best. So we're going to knit into this first stitch. Sorry. Okay, keeping these straight. Now this yarn is coming from here. Now try to make sure that this needle doesn't get involved, so just round under and just knit that first stitch. Okay, and then we're going to knit the next one, because we're doing a knit 2, purl 2, rib. So then of course we're going to purl the next stitch. So we're going to purl these 2. Okay, so the beginning of the round, let's pop this all down, is here where we started. Now you can't put a stitch marker there because it's just going to fall off. So what we're going to do, or how I work it, is just pop a stitch marker on needle number 1. This is going to be needle number 1. So bear with me a second and I will just find a stitch marker. In fact, I'm going to stop here and come back.